Okay, starting from the inside. This is the floor. Original to the house, probably 1980s. Well, not probably, it is 1980s. This is the countertop. These are the walls. This was the wallpaper that was on it. We are currently peeling it off. This is the tub. Those stains that don't come out. So the plan is to reglaze. This is the toilet space. All this is wall. This is a shelving system. And then the door out. The plan is to redo this entire bathroom, change out lighting. I don't know. I wanted to remove this, but since it's just a simple repair, I'll probably just put a frame around it to kind of update the look some. Yeah, I don't understand how your children don't like to keep their stuff clean, but yeah, this is the bathroom that I'm about to refurbish. Okay, phase two. Phase one was take everything out of here. We removed everything. I was going to paint this with tile paint to save money, but when we took the sink out, you know, the stuff they used to make back in the day was like super glue to everything. So it pulled some of the tile up. So I'm gonna have to get a new countertop, and hopefully it won't cost that much. Hopefully I can just find. I don't mind the tile, but I'm gonna look at my options for countertops to replace that. Waiting on the stuff to come so that I can start on the shower tub combo since I couldn't get a new one. Everything's getting replaced. All the fixtures, it's getting painted white. So phase two, cleaning up, taking out all the wallpaper, and starting construction on the things that I wanted to add as a built-in. So I'm putting a built-in cabinet here. I'm gonna put a built-in shelf here above the toilets. And so you guys will get to see phase two after phase three, after we finish phase two. All right, this is what it's looking like so far. We got to fix all the holes. These are things that was in the house when we bought it. This was probably the least desirable place in the house. This is a really old bathroom, as you can see, by just the way the color of the floor and the tile is. Okay, so see you soon. Okay, so here's an update. I've been working on this bathroom little by little. There's the shelf. So when I ordered this shelf, I didn't measure it from trim to trim. I measured it wall to wall. So I thought I was gonna have to send this back. But when I thought about it, I was like, oh, all I gotta do is lift it. So that's what I did. I actually lifted it off the ground. So now it actually looks like a built-in. The diameter of it, the width of it, not the diameter. The width of it is not the full space that goes all the way back to the wall for me to be able to anchor it to the wall. So what I plan on doing is getting hooks that will attach to this and attach to the wall, and this will keep this stable, and that'll keep that from moving, because I mean it really doesn't move now, but I just want to be safe and make sure that this doesn't move at all. So that's what we're doing with that. The wallpaper, for some reason, every roll that I've had will not match up with this. So when you do wallpaper, you have to make sure it lines up so that it meets. I forgot what it's called. I learned it in class and I forgot, but it's it's not called thread count. I forgot what it's called, but it's where your wallpaper actually aligns with each other so that it looks like a continuous piece of paper. I'm not. The colors are off, and if you look down here, you can see it where it's off. I don't really care about that part. That doesn't bother me, but I can't have like a whole wall. So I'm gonna have to get creative, and what I think I'm gonna do is put some wood planks in that corner and some right here, the color of this wood, to try to make everything cohesive together, because I'm not painting this. This actually ties the rest of the house in, and I want my house to all look like it goes together. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with that, to make everything kind of look like it flows. I'm not gonna get tile because I'm just tired of spending money. So I'm just gonna run the wallpaper all the way around to here, and I'll show you when I'm done. This is the only wall that's gonna actually get paint. It's the only wall that's getting paint. As you can see, we have not started on the tub yet, but I did get my new fixtures installed, including a stopper, because this tub didn't have a stopper. Somebody came over yesterday because they had to go behind the wall to be able to install this. And so they had to go on the drywall to be able to install that. So he did it for me. New shower head, new faucets, and handles, and stopper. That's where we are so far. The floor comes in tomorrow. So I am really trying to get, I'm trying to get at least the paint done before I install the floors. I'll probably won't get to it tomorrow because I'm cooking dinner tomorrow. So Monday, hopefully. We are in there, guys. Yeah. Slowly but surely, y'all. This is a project. I'm getting ready to switch that out so that I can go ahead and put the face on it to get that out the way. Really, I'm just trying to get it done so I can go ahead and get this toilet installed. I want to at least get that installed and get that light fixture up. As you can see, we have that light fixture. It doubles as a night light. That's what I wanted. So that's what we have here. And then this ugly old funky thing is probably getting switched out tomorrow too, while my dinner is cooking. Cause yeah, this is a project. All right, guys. So when you paint your tub, please wear a respiratory mask. This stuff is extremely potent, and you do not want to be breathing this in, just straight old willy-nilly. Okay, so this is what it looks like wet. That's what it looks like wet. They're not going to be using this tub at least probably for another week. I don't know how long it's going to take them to bring the countertops. They came yesterday to do the measurements. So yeah, this is what it looks like wet. When it's dry, I'll show you what it looks like dry, and then we'll finish the process of me renovating my bathroom by myself. Yay! This is an update. So as you can see, I'm just starting to do like little stuff until stuff comes in. I have a toilet. So my brother Keith came and installed the toilet for us. It's the Kohler Elmbrook 360. It helps. You can see that little crack up in there. It's like it keeps the toilet bowl clean. So that's why I chose that. So yeah, I have my hotel shower curtains. I call them hotel. They're white. Those hotel-like shower curtain, linen shower curtains. That's what I got for those. But yeah, I just wanted y'all to see. Covered the hole up, painted it. We're doing little stuff now until the countertop gets here like this. So we're pulling up all old stuff. As a reminder, that's what that looked like. Vacuuming up all this stuff, cleaning it out really good. As a reminder, that's what the floor looked like. I have to cut that last piece out before I grout the floor. I went through 3 sets of tile. This is the 4th and final tile, guys. Yes, buying tile, taking it back. Buying tile, taking it back. But this tile goes perfect with this paint color and this wallpaper. It looks fantastic. And the original cabinet color, because I decided to keep the cabinets. There's nothing wrong with them. I just needed a countertop. That color goes great with the color of this bathroom. So now it's really starting to feel like a spa. I'm excited because I got to put my knowledge that I've learned so far in college to use. But really what it comes down to, you learned a lot of things about code, ADA standards, all that stuff, materials, because when you take interior design, it's materials, textiles, material, like that's, you're learning all of this. Of course you learn stuff about square footage, stuff like that, but it just comes down to how well you are putting things together and designing. And this is my first real renovation where I'm physically removing stuff and installing new stuff. This is my first real renovation. I think it turned out great. So when everything gets cleaned up, the next time you will see the bathroom is when the countertop is installed and everything is put together. It's gonna look great. It's gonna look great. Okay, guys. Bye.